Hello again. In this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about top-rated sellers and what they are on eBay. So you can get, all right, if you do really well and you're really quick about shipping your items out, you can get a top-rated account. I can show you, if we search for an item real quick, what this looks like to a buyer. Let's search for, I don't know, like hot dog, all right? This is a top-rated seller. This is not a top-rated seller. This is a top-rated seller. This is not a top-rated seller. So you can see that they have a little icon here. And what that means is that they have a certain return policy, that they have same-day or one-day handling time, and that they ship quickly. Okay? eBay gives your listings a boost in the search results if you are a top-rated seller. And as a normal eBay seller, it's actually pretty easy to be top-rated as long as you just ship your items in a day or two. Like, don't delay too long, just get your stuff to the post office. As a dropshipper, however, it is quite hard to be a top-rated seller, and I suggest that you don't even try to until you've been dropshipping for a year or two. Being able to be top-rated is completely dependent on your source's shipping speed. And since you are a dropshipper, it's very hard to control that. You can use sources like Walmart or Amazon and use 2-day shipping, and that makes it way more achievable, but it's still kind of hard to get that tracking number in time. Because this variable here, you can see that I'm fine with my transaction defect rate. I'm almost top-rated. The late shipment rate, I could easily get that above 3%. It's 3.12. That's really close to 3%. But my tracking uploaded on time and validated, you have to do this 95% of the time. So you have to be really on point about getting your tracking numbers into eBay. A lot of sources just don't give you your tracking number in time. So you have to spend a lot of time like messaging them, being like, hey, I want this tracking number, and you have to figure that out. This one is the bigger kind of issue. Since I use Walmart, I don't have problems with my shipment rate because Walmart tends to ship items pretty quickly, but I do have trouble uploading my tracking on time. If you can, these are the 3 things that if you are able to do, you can get top-rated seller. And once you're a top-rated seller, then you have to change your listings so that you get that discount, so that you get that boost. You have to offer quick shipping and also same or one-day handling time. And then I think also a 30-day return policy. As long as you have those 3 things, then you're going to get that little icon next to your seller, right? People can also search, I think, for top-rated sellers only. Maybe not. I don't see it. But basically, if you are a top-rated seller, you'll sell more items. It's just like having a more established eBay account versus a new eBay account. It's one of the variables that can be in your favor or against you. That being said, you also get a discount on your final value fees. So it's not going to be on your insertion fees, but I think you save like 10% on your 9% final value fees. So say that you're paying eBay $600 a month in final value fees, then you're going to save $60 because you're a top-rated seller. So it is something that it's worth doing if you can maintain it. But I know a lot of people who stress out so much about trying to get it, and then most people aren't able to obtain it. So, I recommend don't worry about being a top-rated seller until you've been drop shipping for a year or two. That's when you can really be like, okay, how can I become more efficient? How can I squeeze this more? How can I make these things happen sooner so that I can get that top-rated seller badge, save money on my final value fees, and get more sales, right? Because it is one of the things that will result in more sales. But I wouldn't stress too much about it, okay? All right, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao.